This is Nokia G22, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to open Settings, then find and enter the Passwords and Accounts category and remove any Google accounts that you have over there. Once this tab is out of the way, get back to the main settings page, re-enter the Google category this time, then go for the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now sign into your child's Google account, or firstly create one and then log into it if you haven't gotten the Google account for your child already. So once the child account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here, and then enter credentials for another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or simply log into the Google account you will use to supervise your child. After you do that, you will be forwarded to the next About Supervision page. In here, input the child's Google account password one more time, then tap at the Agree button. Then you will get the following dialog window, which you gotta tap and allow on. And now wait for the parent and child accounts to be linked. In my case, something went wrong, which is an issue that might occur from time to time. But as you can clearly see, the parent and child accounts were successfully linked and the parental controls were enrolled. So from here, you will need to take your parental device or phone or tablet you were planning to use to supervise your child, and download the free Family Link app from the Google Play Store. So let me quickly show how you can do that. So you will need to open the Play Store, then in here find the Family Link and install it. After that, launch the app, sign into it with the parental Google account, and in here you have a bunch of controls that you can manage, configure and set up. But well, that will be it as far as setting up the parental controls on this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.